Hey guys, it's Ron Blaze from Ninja Web Tools. I'd like to introduce you to TeeLaunch Ninja. TeeLaunch Ninja is the t-shirt shop you've always wanted. With one database, you can run unlimited campaigns. TeeLaunch Ninja allows you to sell multiple shirts within multiple categories to a single customer, just like any real store does. Imagine selling 3 to 5 or more shirts and hoodies with different designs to a single customer at the same time. Now that's possible with TeeLaunch Ninja. Have a design that you want printed on both the front and back of a single shirt? No problem. TeeLaunch Ninja allows you to print your designs on both the front and back, and we support personalized designs on both front and back too. The design possibilities are endless. TeeLaunch Ninja lets you own your own tea business. You get paid instantly as soon as your customer buys a shirt. No more waiting for Teespring and others to send you a payment. You are paid instantly the second your customer buys the shirt. You own your own customer list, lock, stock, and barrel. TeeLaunch Ninja is hosted on your domain, so customers will see your brand, your email, your domain when they're buying from your TeeLaunch Ninja store. This lets you develop brand loyalty with your customers. After all, you paid for the ads and found a way to get people to your store, so you should reap the long-term benefits of that customer. Stop subsidizing somebody else's brand. Your domain, your store, your customer, period. TeeLaunch Ninja is a WordPress framework that integrates with literally thousands of WordPress themes. So the layout of your TeeLaunch Ninja store can be uniquely yours and different from every other TeeLaunch Ninja store. By now you can imagine how your sales will increase with TeeLaunch Ninja. So let's take a look at a sample TeeLaunch Ninja store. And I'll show you how easy it is to manage your TeeLaunch Ninja store, and you'll see how simple the shopping experience will be for your customers. Okay, let's take a look at how to manage your TeeLaunch Ninja store. This is a quick overview. As you see from this store we have here, we have 4 shirts loaded on this store. And obviously there's no limit to how many shirts you have in there. We have several store owners with more than 100 shirts in their stores. In this case we have 2 shirts that can be personalized, shown by the personalized tag on these 2 buttons. And we have 2 other shirts on this page. If you want, you can add functions into your WordPress theme to allow you to set up categories, and this is easily done. So right here, if we click on nurses, you'll see that we have 2 shirts that show up in the nurses category. Well, let's go back over here to the shop and take a look at this shirt right here. So if I click on this shirt, it'll take me into the area where the shirt can be purchased. And we click on the back of the shirt, we can see what the design is on the back of the shirt. As you can see from this page, we currently have this shirt available in 2 styles. Let's see how easy it is to update this shirt so we're seeing it in more styles and more colors. Just open up this particular campaign right here, the TLA tester. And right now we have it only in heather, but let's go ahead and add it into navy and royal. And then let's go ahead and add a couple more shirt styles. We'll do the t-shirt and the hoodie. And we'll just save this, or update this post. And when we refresh the page, you'll see that the shirt now is available in multiple colors. The navy that we added here, the royal, and the heather that we had before. And as you see, we added a couple of styles. So we added the hoodie right here, and we also added the t-shirt option as well. So that's how easy it is to update a campaign within TeeLaunch Ninja. And let me show you real quickly, if you have that campaign and let's say you wanted to run that exact same shirt, but you wanted to, the exact same settings in that campaign, you just wanted to run it with different artwork, but everything else was the same, you just come over here and click on the clone button, in about 3 seconds you end up with a campaign that you can go edit. And once you go in to edit that campaign, you can make all the changes you need for that campaign. So let's head back over into our shop and let's take a look at the experience for your customer when they are looking at a personalized shirt. So let's look at the Christmas shirt first. So in this particular case, the customer would go ahead and type in their last name for the shirt to see if the shirt's available for themselves. And I'll do that. And once we hit search, you'll see that it updates. Now I specified a specific font in the back end, and whatever TrueType fonts you happen to have can be uploaded into your WordPress server, and then they're available for you to choose as far as setting up the fonts on your designs. And as you see here, we have this shirt also available in a couple of other colors, and a couple of other styles have been set up. So it's pretty straightforward and easy to use. And what you see here is really just a preview on the shirt. The artwork will be perfectly centered and aligned once it hits over to TeeLaunch, and then your customers will receive the shirt. So if we go through and let's just go ahead and buy this shirt and add it to our shopping cart. And we'll come back after we've added an additional shirt into the shopping cart as well. So let's go back over here to the nurses. And we can add this shirt into the shopping cart. And you'll see that when I selected the 2XL shirt, we added a handling charge. Now, as far as the handling charges go, you're paying from TeeLaunch, you're paying exactly the same price for all sizes, from small through 4XL. However, as a 2XL buyer myself, and sometimes a 3XL depending on the make, I'm used to paying a slightly higher fee for those 3XL shirts, and that's what most customers are expecting. So we give you the ability of adding a handling charge for those larger sizes, which allows you to collect more money than you would if you were selling just the smaller sizes. But feel free to leave the price across the board exactly the same for all customers. Let me just go ahead and add this into the shopping cart now. And we'll go back into the store. And I want to show you something as far as the customization of this shirt here. And I'm going to swap it into the gray. Actually, I'll swap it into the red. It might be a little bit easier to see. So, in this case, as you see, we have 2 customization fields on the front of the shirt and 1 customization field on the back of the shirt. However, the TeeLaunch Ninja software allows you to actually customize 2 fields on the front and 2 fields on the back of the shirt. So, before I actually go in and customize this, I'm actually going to show you that we do pass variables in the URLs, and if I wanted to pass these variables wanted to pass these variables directly into the shirt, if you're sending, for instance, an email to your customer, you can pass these variables directly to their the shirt, and then each single person that gets their unique URL is going to get a unique experience when they arrive at that shirt. So let me just put those variables in. I'm going to hit enter, and you'll see that the shirt will update with the settings that I originally passed these variables. So in the name field, the top one at the top, I changed it to Ziggy. The bottom one on the front 2, which is this one right here, was changed to Ozzy. And then when I click on the back of the shirt, we'll see Denver at the very top, which is what I passed as the back 1 variable. So it gives you a lot of unique capabilities of communicating to customers that you may have on a mailing list, or if you're using our Ninja Notifier software, that integrates seamlessly with TeeLaunch Ninja. and you can pass variables directly through Facebook to people that are on your Ninja Notifier list. So you can see there's a lot of capability and a lot of functionality within your TeeLaunch Ninja software. Let me show you the, I'm going to add this into the shopping cart. I'll just add the red in a 3XL into the shopping cart, and then let's take a look at how we would customize, or what the customization options are within the shirt that we were just looking at with those multiple fields. So if you see, we went, and that particular shirt is a shirt that we're printing on both the front and the back, a full front, full back. And so here you see the artwork that we've loaded, and you have the ability of moving the artwork up and down on the page. And then if we go down to where the personalization is, we're personalizing both the front and the back in this case. And here's the font that we've selected for this, and our system will automatically detect the fonts that you have uploaded onto your WordPress server for the TeeLaunch Ninja plugin. And you can always add additional true type fonts directly into the system. If you leave this blank, it'll default to Arial, so you don't necessarily have to use a custom font. And you have the ability of here changing the color of the text that you're printing on the shirt. And then you can pick, obviously, as we show a second name in here, and obviously all the same settings exist for the back of the shirt as well. Other settings within the software. So when we look at the front of this page, let me just when we look at the front of this page here, we'll see that we've only sold 4 shirts, and this is all through our tests and stuff. But let's say this is a brand new shirt, and we want to just show a little bit of social proof and show that we have people that are highly interested in the shirt. It's very easy to do within the TeeLaunch Ninja plugin. You first come down over here to where the sold is, Manual Plus, and we've actually had this Manual Plus feature in our t-shirt software for more than 2 years now. And let's just go ahead and put 88 as an example. That's how many shirts we've sold. Or, you know, we want people to think that we've sold so that they'll be more inclined to buy the shirts. And then as far as our Facebook likes, when we go here to the top, it shows we have 0. And people don't like to be the first to buy a shirt, and they also don't like to be the first person to like a page. So let's just go ahead and add one of our pages in here. And update the campaign. And when I refresh the page, you'll see we have now 1,500 people have liked the page, and we'll see that we now have 92 sales. Now the 92 is based on the fact that we had put the Manual Plus at 88, but we had 4 shirts that had already been purchased. So every time there's a new purchase of this shirt, and it doesn't increase when people click the Buy It Now button, but rather it increases when people click the Buy It Now button and they actually go through the actual transaction process on PayPal. That's when that number increases. Let's take a quick look at the shopping cart. As you see inside the shopping cart, we have 3 items in the shopping cart. So we have the Santa shirt that we originally bought. As you see, it's still personalized here. And you see that we have the TLP tester shirt. And if I zoom my computer in, you can see that it has Ziggy and the Aussie on the front. And then we also have our TLM tester shirt that we purchased here. So here in one single transaction, you would be grossing almost $80, which includes the handling charges, shipping fees, etc. And it's a very straightforward process. Now there is a discount coupon thing that you can use within our software, and that is generated when you actually purchase, when your customer purchases from you, they're going to get a receipt that looks like this. So the receipt's going to kind of look like this. You'd be able to customize the logo on the top, and then they'll have the receipt that shows what they purchased from you, what they paid for it. Obviously, because this is a live transaction, I didn't want to pay myself a lot of money, so I discounted the fees so that I could get you a receipt to see. But as we scroll through this receipt, it shows where we're sending, where we're shipping to. There's an option for you to turn on this feedback thing if you want to receive feedback from your customers. You don't have to have that on. And then the other thing is you can decide to turn on or not turn on, is a discount coupon. So if you turn on the discount coupon, then your customers are going to get a discount coupon just like this in their receipt. And the coupon is good for 2 weeks, and you can control what percentage you want to give people as a discount. The discount coupon is a one-use coupon, so if they share it with their friends are not going to get the discount. It'll only work one time. So that's pretty much how that works. And here is the orders page of our software. And inside the orders page of the software, you'll see the status of every shirt that was purchased from you. See that you received money via PayPal, and then you'll see the order number in TeeLaunch. And then after that shirt ships, you'll see that that shirt has shipped, and this will be a green check mark. Obviously, since this is a test order, we didn't pay TeeLaunch, and so therefore it didn't ship. But you would have a shipped notification in there. The other thing you'd be able to do within the software is you'd be able to click on this export report, and that'll show you all the orders that were collected by your system, and it has the name and email address for every one of your customers, so you could import that into your autoresponder or your mailing system, so you can email customers as far as your specials you might be having, etc., to help build your repeat customer basis for your business, in addition to the fact that your receipt had the ability for people to use a discount coupon to become repeat customers as well. So the other thing I wanted to show you is that TeeLaunch Ninja is extremely responsive. Here is TeeLaunch Ninja on my iPhone. And you see we have all the shirts that we have in our sample store showing up here. We have access to the menu, and everything really depends a lot on the theme that you happen to be using within your TeeLaunch store. But let's go ahead and take a look at personalized options for this particular theme, or sorry, this particular shirt. And you'll see that we have all the things that we expected to have in the layout of this shirt. So we have the option for adding a name right here. And that will update the shirt. Obviously, you're going to want to pick a responsive theme within your WordPress themes for TeeLaunch Ninja. So the other thing I want to just really quickly show you, if I go back here to the shop, I want to show you that basically you can turn your TeeLaunch Ninja store into a brand new unique look whenever you want to, just by adding a new theme into WordPress. So let me go into WordPress, and I have a couple of other themes in here. And I'm going to switch from this ARM theme I'm currently using and switch over here to the Cora theme. And I don't need that. Once I refresh my store, you'll see that I have a brand new look and layout of my store. All the pages function the same way. It's just I decided to have a new look and feel to my page. And there you go. That's how easy it is to swap out the layout of your store into a completely new look and feel, so that essentially every person that is running a TeeLaunch Ninja store every store will look uniquely different. And we're currently running our TeeLaunch Ninja products are being run by people in 8 different countries, 10 different languages. So within the store, you actually have the capability of changing almost every piece of text on the front end of our TeeLaunch Ninja plugin, so that you can change the language if you want for the audience that you happen to have. And let me look at a few other quick features within the plugin. In the settings of TeeLaunch Ninja, I personally hate typing the same thing over and over again if my information is never going to change. So we added into TeeLaunch Ninja the ability basically for you to set your prices inside of TeeLaunch Ninja one time, and every time you launch a brand new campaign, it'll pull the default prices from here, and it'll pull the default extra handling charges if you have any. So it makes it really super simple to crank out a new campaign, because you don't have to manually type in the prices every single time. So I don't know about you, but when I sell shirts, I sell all my shirts essentially. T-shirts are always sold as the same price for all my shirts, no matter what the design is I have on my shirts. But as I showed before, you do have the flexibility of going and tweaking your shirt so you can change the price if you want for that one individual campaign. Since I have a business process consulting background, one of the things I'm deeply passionate about is making sure that the entire sales and fulfillment process is smooth for your customers. So unlike the other guys who have sold 500 or more licenses and have had numerous shipping issues, we've decided to sell only 100 TeeLaunch Ninja licenses. This will help ensure that your customers' orders are shipped out quickly, typically within 5 business days after you pay TeeLaunch for the order. The instant the order ships, your customer will get an email with the tracking number, and your TeeLaunch Ninja dashboard will be updated, reflecting the fact that the order has shipped. So here's the deal. We are only selling 100 licenses of TeeLaunch Ninja. TeeLaunch Ninja will retail for $497. However, we are running a pre-launch special until Monday, July 6th, while we tweak a few things in the members area. So we'll knock off $200 off the license fee during the pre-launch. Additionally, to incentivize you to sell more shirts, TeeLaunch has offered to reimburse your purchase of TeeLaunch Ninja. So for every 100 shirts you sell, TeeLaunch will give you $50 up to your purchase price of TeeLaunch Ninja. Sell enough shirts, you've essentially scored a free license of TeeLaunch Ninja. Obviously, this offer may be revoked at any time, and we only have 100 licenses, so grab this while you can. By now, you've seen the power and flexibility of TeeLaunch Ninja. And by now, you've seen how TeeLaunch Ninja can help grow your t-shirt business. On behalf of the Ninja Web Tools team, thank you for your interest in TeeLaunch Ninja. See you on the inside. Bye now.